Hi everyone. A very good evening to all. How this quiz even started is we from Zero Pro team. The community is mainly built because of to enhance the growth of the people who are in their early stage. So, who are all students or kids or children, whoever it may be, they can get very well guidance and support and all the things from Zero Pro community. Even the people can contribute to Zero Pro community. So this is how this community is started. So here in this lockdown, we found many people are making use of this time, but many don't know how to make use of this time. So as a part of this, we started this event, and firstly, we started as a science quiz. We started with tech and science, all those things. So here more also, there are many events are coming up and. Participate and have fun and also learn with this learning and every event. So I'm Kalaivani and Arshak Mohammed. We both started this community and we both are batch of 2021st. We are graduated from Government College of Technology, which is in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So maybe he'll continue what Zero Pro did after his launching.
Hi guys, good evening everyone. Before going into it, can everyone please turn your camera on because this is going to be uploaded in the YouTube. So it would be better if we can see your face. Can everyone turn your camera on, please? We can only have fun only if you all cooperate, right?
So since it is online mode, so it will be more interactive when we face each other and so it will be in a real time. So but because of situation we are dealing with an online mode, so maybe so with your cooperation and your collaboration only we can make it more interesting. So let's see. And anyway, so you people are all going to give intro, no? So that time at least come up and
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, when we will be giving intro, you will surely make you to turn your camera on. So okay, so before any further ado, so I'll be explaining what Zero Pro has done for this month. So Zero Pro, as Kalevani told, Kalevani and myself have started the Zero Pro on exactly August 15, 2020. So it has not been an year yet. So from the day one itself, we were guiding our students like for the period of 2.5 months, we have helped more than 250 students. We can proudly say that for helping their career, like choosing the field in which they may be interested in and letting them explore what are all the opportunities they can get so that they can choose the correct path, choosing the correct colleges, correct departments, etc. And we are so happy to share some of the students who benefited from Zero Pro have also joined here. So that's such a proud moment for us. So as a part of our main aim is to build a like great student community. So as a part of that, we are now with our quiz competition. So everyone, don't be serious. It's just a fun event. Because the main reason why we started this is student have to like utilize the COVID situation and lockdown and all like learning and useful and also in a fun way because myself and Kalevani, we both are not like we are not the fan of serious learning. We both love fun along learning. So we all want you to have fun while learning and also networking. Networking is a great part, right? So you can get contacts because we can see everyone is from different places sitting in our homes. So that's all about Zero Pros working and all. So we'll start with the introduction. So you can volunteer yourself or we have to call your names and intro yourself. So don't push us to that. You can volunteer yourself.
so let's start with Dhanush Raja, I think.
Ka- Good evening, everyone. I am Dhanush Raj, aspiring electrical engineer at Government College of Technology. Uh, I love science, so I wished to join this event, and interacting with many people helps me to have a chance to learn new something to me. So I wish to interact with many people. That's all.
Good to see
Great,
you.
Dhanush, great.
Yes, sir.
So welcome to Zero Pro. So hope we will be in part of this whole continuous journey.
Thank you, ma'am.
So next will be Meha.
Meha, you still, yeah, we can.
Yeah. My voice is clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, it's audible.
No, very bad.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, sir. Myself, Megha Anumalde. I am pursuing B final year in ETC branch from Cummins College of Nagpur. Thank you.
That's great. Next we'll go with Naveen. Hi Naveen, are you there?
Naveen VM, can
I
you
think
hear us?
Naveen is having any network.
Yes, sir. I am having
No, I
network.
think.
Okay, so
Okay.
I have rejoined.
okay, so we'll go with other person. So Anita. Hi Anita.
Hi, hi, now. I'm Anita from Chennai. I'm pursuing Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Government College of Technology, Coimbatore. And I'm interested in the field of science, and also I love maths. So I wish to join in this.
Yeah, great.
And I love interacting with people.
School.
Sorry, Anita, I don't get the last point.
I love interacting with people.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So
Thank
you're here in the right platform only, so no problem. So Danishka, can you give your introduction?
First of all, good evening to all. Very happy to see you all. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity of introducing myself. Myself, Vidi Daniksha. I am doing currently grade 10. I am from Erode district. Actually, it's a very good platform where I come to know through this Kalimani ma'am. And she's a great ma'am where I come to know I don't have really no friends, but she was one of my friends. And I also love science. I like exploring new things in this world. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah.
So, hello Danishka. So I hope we haven't met here. So that's a great introduction. So we have a lot of friends here who are studying like in engineering, who is in from Nagpur, etc. So happy to see you here. Kali, you can continue.
Yeah, so next maybe Lakshmikant.
Hi everyone, I am Lakshmi Anand from Annur. I am currently pursuing BTech Computer Science and Business System in Bannariyaman Institute of Technology. Firstly, I want to thank Zero Pro because after 12th standard I got a low mark. I contacted Zero Pro. They have give me correct guidance. Then I am now happy because even I scored low cutoff, I chose my correct path. I am interested in programming languages and data science. So that was about me.
Great.
So hello Lakshmikant and nice to see you again. Can you turn your video on Lakshmikant because people can see?
Yeah, it will be more interactive and we can have a good conversation though.
Bro, I have current cutoff, bro. Power off in my area.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. No issues.
So next,
So Tarun,
yeah.
next we can go with Tarun. Tarun, are you there? Hello, Tarun.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Whether it is audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, it's audible.
This is Tarun N from Mettupalayam, and I'm pursuing ECE in Bannariyaman Institute of Technology, which is in Satyamangalam, and that's it, sir.
Okay, hello Darun, welcome to this quiz event.
Yeah, maybe the intake will be lot, I think, and it's good to see here. So the next, Sanjay, can we call Sanjay Ashok?
Yeah, sure, Sanjay. Hello, Sanjay.
Hi, Sanjay.
Hi, Na. Hi, Ka.
Hi.
I'm Sanjay from Chennai. I am currently pursuing my BE in GCT. My passion is to learn and explore new things, and my dream is to become an ISRO scientist. That's it, Ka. And I thank Zero Pro for this opportunity.
Thank you. Maybe next, Soundra Rajan is right.
Yeah, Soundararajan. Hello, Soundararajan. Soundararajan, can you hear us? Hello, Soundararajan. Okay, maybe I think some network issues. We can go with Naveen now, I think. Naveen,
Yeah.
can are you ready now?
Yes, yes, sir. Now my network is clear right now.
Yeah, can you turn your video on if possible, please? So we can see
No,
you.
I'm joining in my PC. There is no webcam in my
Okay,
PC.
fine.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Okay. Okay. I'm Naveen. I'm from Annur. Right now, I'm doing my first year degree in computer science and engineering at Banaryaman Institute of Technology. My interest will be in computer science and those concepts like machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence. And for choosing colleges, I have seen many videos in Dinesh Prabhu channel. Right now, I came to know about Zero Pro, so I joined the session.
Yeah, that's
So thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Welcome, Naveen. That's great, really great. So, Gayatri, can we go with your introduction? Hello, Gayatri.
Hello everyone, myself Gayatri. I'm from Government College of Technology, currently pursuing my EEE first year. And I'm very much interested in e-vehicle and creativity in work. That's it.
That's really
Okay, so hello, Gayatri. Yeah, because myself and Kalaivani are EV enthusiasts. You maybe contact us for your insights later. So this is the power of networking. You can get to know people, or you can get the connections of the people you need. So that's what we are trying to do through Zero Pro.
actually why we thought of giving this introduction means maybe people or some count are joining here and making connections. So you can find a like-minded people here. So that's why we made an introduction before going to the quiz. So, okay, let's see. And what will be the agenda means? We'll be conducting the quiz on Kahoot platform. So hope you all downloaded the app, right? So after we'll guide you and we'll give you a pin and you have to enter into the pin. Then that will take you to the quiz. And there, one after the one quiz, you can get to know who are in the lead position. So you also get to know what will be the correct answer, and we can discuss among the questions too. And within a few minutes, we can start the quiz. Guys, can you see the pin?
I will also put the game pin in the chat section. Yeah, yes, Kalaivani, yes, I will put that. 858-699.
Also, Tanvi is also facing some network issue. Maybe you can put the pin in WhatsApp group also. If she wish, she can do without joining in the meeting.
Yeah, sure. I will put that also.
And hope everyone won't search the answer in net or something. Just try what you know.
So guys, I'm repeating the pin again. It's 8586990.
So, okay, let's see. And what will be the agenda means? We'll be conducting the quiz on Kahoot platform. So hope you all downloaded the app, right? So after we'll guide you and. So one more.
Yeah, I think Dhanush only. I think so. If Dhanush joined, all the 9 have, because Soundararajan, I don't know, there is no response from Soundararajan.
Naveen, what about Naveen?
Naveen has joined.
Okay.
So totally, including Dhanush, it will be 9 students. So yeah, Dhanush has also joined. So guys, you can all see the screen, right? So I will give the instructions. So you have joined. So the questions will be displayed in the Kahoot app. So you might have to switch between Kahoot and Zoom. I will indicate later because you can all hear me, right? While using Kahoot app also you can hear me, I believe. So the questions will be posted. I will also read out the question. You have to see it in the Kahoot app. And the highest score will be those who is giving the answer in short span of time. Okay, it also be the correct answer, and it will be if you answer the question correctly within short time, then you will be have more score than your fellow mate if you have answered the question correctly but took more time. Okay, so I hope that got cleared with you. So also there will be double. Yeah, Kalevan, you can continue.
Yeah, who are all having the options to enable the camera, kindly do it because it's a quiz zone, so maybe at least this time you can turn on your camera.
You can turn on your camera also because we will be showing the participants in the screen record also, and it will be uploaded in YouTube itself. So if your face is enabled, it will be better for you and also for us. So there is some questions with double credits also. So it will be having a double mark than remaining questions. So if you answer this, your point will be increased more. Okay. So careful about that. The questions won't be that much hard. We made this as simple as possible as this is just our first quiz. So I want everyone to be comfortable and not nervous and all. Okay. So when you answer the question, you will be know whether you answer correctly or not. And after that, I will ask you to come to Zoom app to show the answer, and we will have a 1 or 2 lines of discussion about it. Okay. So yes, Kalavani. Yeah, I hope everyone is clear with the instructions. We can start now.
Okay. Yeah, I'll start.
Ready with your Kahoot app. So
quiz is started.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. So International Space Station is in which sphere?
Yes.
The question is, International Space Station is in which sphere? So yeah, we are receiving answers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more have to answer it. Kindly, yes. So everyone has answered. So you could have seen which sphere, right? You can come to Zoom and view the answer. It is thermosphere. So only one have got corrected. Maybe you can come forward and tell us why do you think it's thermosphere and how you know the answer.
So anybody having knowledge about International Space Station means also you can share here. So what do you know about it?
Just 2 or more lines, no problem. Anyone can just be free. No worries. Just tell us what you know about it, because we are not even we both don't know that much everything. So you can volunteer yourself.
Okay, let us say, and from next question onwards, everyone would speak and come forward and speak. So this is formed by, I think, 5 countries for all, by combination of all the space stations in respective countries. Where people like astronauts and cosmonauts will live there to carry out some space projects, maybe around less than 6 or 5 members only. and it is in the I think orbit of 508 kilometers around. So if you're interested, maybe some person told who is want to join in ISRO. I forget her name. It excites you. Maybe you can check out and get more knowledge about it.
Yeah, so it's thermosphere, the answer is. So that's all about internet. Maybe recently you might also heard about SpaceX Dragon crew went to International Space Station and all. So we can move on to the next question. So you can all go to Kahoot app.
Yeah, you can see who's the person is leading.
Yeah. Okay, actually it's Megha who got this correct. Yeah. Okay. So next question, collect.
Okay, so.
So read the question carefully. So I think you will be having some timer going on. Yeah, now read the question carefully and mind the bracket also. So actually we have 10 answers correct. Okay.
Wow.
I mean, great. So
let's see.
So everyone, I think who have used the formula, like, so can anyone explain the like what you can figure out from these terms P, E, T, and how you find the answer? Anyone can volunteer yourself.
Yeah, so almost everyone put the answer correctly. So you must come and explain to us.
I'm here to answer.
Yeah, great.
Okay, we want to find power. The given power formula is energy divided by time. So 150 divided by 3, it comes 50.
Okay, great. So why you think power is equal to energy by time? Can you define power and energy?
I had heard about power is equal to voltage into current. So I can't say the answer.
Yeah, no problem. I will answer it. So actually, exactly, power is equal to voltage into current. That's correct. In terms of energy will be like I demonstrated or mentioned in terms of kilowatt hour, etc. Right? So that kilowatt defines the power term and hour defines the time. So energy will be described as a power comes time. Okay. So this much watt per time you have consumed, because voltage into current will be mentioned as watt. So this much watt per hour, this much kilowatt per hour. So that's why energy is equal to power into time. So power is equal to energy divided by time. So I hope you all understand. Kalevani, do you want to add some more points? Or
no,
is it okay?
You clearly explained, Sean. So we'll go to who will be leading. So just curious to know.
So Megha is still leading, I believe. Okay. So we'll go to the next person.
Yeah, actually the timing also important. So who will give if two persons are giving the right answer, means who is giving the prior to that person will getting more points. So consider that also. So the third question will be coming up. True or false?
So Rolls-Royce wants to develop flying taxis. True or false? Okay, 6 answers, 7. Come on, guys. You have to decide either true or false. So 2 more is pending, I think. 9 we got. Okay. So 5 is true and 5 is false. The answer is true. Yes, Rolls-Royce wants to develop flying taxis. Kalai, do you know any information about that? Because I'm not aware of that much.
Yeah, so people can, so obviously everyone know what famous for Rolls-Royce, you know. So maybe Gayatri can tell about, so what she know about the Rolls-Royce and flying taxis, if she is aware of. I'm just asking.
Okay, I'm not much aware of it, but that symbol which is in Rolls-Royce car, symbol of ecstasy, I think so. but it is more worth in that car. I just hear that with that symbol we can buy 4 Suzuki cars as like that. And that car was given to person who were positioned a high place in their field. That's it, I know. But flying taxes, I don't know.
Okay.
That's great, guys. Because
Yeah,
we got to know. Yeah, Tarun, I think Tarun is having something. Tarun, you can unmute and tell us because we are curious to know.
Bro, suspension, bro.
Yeah, can you elaborate that?
It doesn't have any vibration in that.
Okay, so they are like very well experienced in suspension.
While we moving, any speed breaker occurs, it doesn't have any vibrations.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are coming to know more and more curious informations. Yes, Kalaivani, continue.
So anybody heard the term like flying taxes? So whoever heard the term means you can raise up your hands.
About flying taxis, anyone? Yeah, Naveen have raised his hand. Yeah, Naveen.
Can you tell us what are you aware of flying taxis?
Yes, Akka, sure. Recently in news, I don't know, in some news in my family, they were seeing the news. So there I can able to some words about that America is not giving that access to invent the flying cars and all.
Okay.
Okay.
So I can able to hear this.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that's great. So actually flying taxis is not into the market exactly now. So it is just being came up with a prototype in abroad, mainly in US. And currently in India also there are many startups are coming up. Like there is an IIT startup called the E-Plane. So they are doing very well and they got a very huge fund currently. So they are doing, it's like a kind of, maybe you can relate with the drone, but it's not, the person can travel. It's a small, it is, maybe it is something called vehicle, it's moving with electricity, you can call it as an e-vehicle. So when it moves along the road means you can call it as electric vehicle. If it is powered by electric supply and it is flying over us means you can call it as flying taxis. So to get more information, you can search about it. It's also very interesting field now.
Yeah, electric vehicles and taxis, drones, flying taxis, etc. It's trending and it's become developing day by day. So maybe when you are finishing your graduation or when you're entering your into the career stage, maybe you can find that opportunity there also. If you are interested, maybe you can start preparing.
Yeah, you can also
side
do
by side
a
also.
prototype, and it's really amazing. You can give.
So actually, I want to tell you
transportation.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is.
Actually, I want to tell everyone that because this is what we are doing, and I am so happy that everyone is sharing their point of view because we just don't want it to be because just normal quiz with question and answers and you know the answers but doesn't know the reason behind the answers. So and also other facts here. Okay, Maya, can you join now? Is it okay? You can unmute and tell. Is it okay for you now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now okay.
Yeah. Okay, Maya.
Sir, next question is for.
Yeah, next.
No, we haven't moved to the next question. We are just going. We are now going to the next one.
Okay, so let's see who is lead in the leaderboard.
So
Megha and Danshika.
Okay, Danshika is close. So maybe Gayatri, Dhanush, okay, you can also catch with the next. Okay, next question, Kalai. We can go to the next question. Yeah. It's the strongest muscle in your body. Okay. So which is the strongest muscle in your body?
Nine
answers.
Wow.
9 answer.
So the answer is.
Okay. Your tongue. So maybe this might be surprising for some people, but yes, your tongue is the strongest muscle in your body. So 4 I have answered correct.
So let's see.
So
Who will be
anyone want to, is anyone want to attend like add any points regarding like not only for this question or regarding any facts about your body and all? Okay. So we can go with the leaderboard, Kalai.
Yeah. Oh, it's Gayatri.
Yeah, Gayatri is now leading.
Meha, Danshika, and VM Naveen and Danush Raj. Okay, let's go to the 5th question.
So, elements with an atomic number higher than dash are not usually found naturally. Okay.
Five answers came. 6.
So only 9 seconds remaining. You can have to answer. 7. Or else you will be losing point. 8. Okay.
92.
So 3 have correct. Kalaimani, 1 minute. Actually, Tarun have put something in the chat box regarding previous question.
Okay.
But injury may also occur in tongue also, sir. So like Tarun is saying that we told like tongue is the strongest muscle in our body. He's telling like injury may happen in tongue also. Kalai, you want to answer that question?
Yeah, so obviously, comparatively, tongue is the strongest muscle in our body. It doesn't mean that there is no harm or we can't harm that part. So that is I want to add here. Maybe Tarun also aware of it. Just I'm also very glad about his question and point of views in this moment.
Yeah, exactly. So we can move to this question. So if anybody want to know, add points regarding periodic table or this question, you can come forward. So there is no right and wrong, or just share your points. We are all ears.
You're knowing, so that's really good. Maybe if you're not answered correctly means.
Because right answer, wrong answer is not wrong. Exactly.
Okay, so let's see the leaderboard. Gayatri and Danush Raj and Ani.
Gayatri is still leading. Yeah.
Meha and Tarun.
Anita. Yeah. Okay. Tarun. Yeah. Megha and Tarun. These are top 5.
Okay, let's go to the.
So we can move to the next. Which is the largest planet in your solar system? So fingers ready. I hope everyone knows the answer for this. So who is the fastest finger? We can see. Okay, 4 answers here. Come on, guys. Yeah. This might be the easiest question. So 8. I think we have one more. Okay. Yeah, almost 8 got the answer. Only 1 got wrong answer. So everyone knows this about like largest planet in our solar system. So actually, I want to add 1 point. It's not about this question. Recently, a boy in India, I am not exactly aware of his place. I think he's from Mumbai or something, Andhra Pradesh. So he have captured the clearest image of moon using like 50,000 images, compiling 50,000 images, which comes about 186 GB. So he has the clearest picture of moon yet. It's not even NASA, not even ISRO. He now has the clearest picture of moon. So that's the recently trending thing related to our solar system and moon. So that's I want to share. If anyone want to share anything, you can.
That's really amazing, Ashik.
So like let's check our leaderboard.
Yeah.
Okay, so Megha is getting close. Tarun is also getting. Tarun has the highest answer streak of 3. Okay, Tarun is answering 3 answers correct. So Gayatri is still leading. Okay, guys. Everyone can climb, no issues. Who has the fastest finger? Let's see.
So we'll go to the 7th question. It's a double point question, remember.
Yeah, the diagram is an example of. So you'll be seeing a diagram and you have to answer which is correct. Yes. So this diagram, maybe some are familiar with it, some are not yet. No problem if you are not familiar with it. You are here to learn. So don't worry. Just give it a try. Okay, 5 have answered correct. Great. Okay. So there is confusion between Pascal's principle and Bernoulli's principle. So trust me guys, I also had the same confusion when I was in the trial. I attended this quiz trial because Kale is the one who set up this question paper. So I also had the same question. So I also learning now Bernoulli's principle. So does anyone know about what Bernoulli's principle is about?
Or else what is where it is using, so what is the application of Bernoulli's principle?
Application of Bernoulli's principle, and you can tell about Pascal's principle also if you know about that.
So maybe from so you can have a guess. So it seems like what it depicts what you can have a guess.
Yeah, you have saw an image.
Come on, speak
So
up.
what's it about? Like maybe you can chat also if you are not like too shy to open. So don't worry, just a fun quiz and all. No problem, you can try. Okay, maybe Kale, you want to reveal the answer?
Yeah, maybe. So it's a very big topic. Maybe I'd say so. Bernoulli's principle, maybe from the image you can get, it is used in air flight, and so obviously to measure the flow of fluid, and so this kind of applications it is possessing. You may go into it and get full clarity about it.
Yeah, maybe you can Google both Pascal's principle and Bernoulli's principle. Maybe you can get the correct explanation there.
Yeah.
So we can check the leaderboard, Kale.
Oh.
Okay, so Gayatri top still, Megha is in second, Anita, Sanjay. Okay, so the leaderboard is getting changing. Okay.
Yeah,
So next question.
Okay. It's again true or false?
So the Earth acts as a giant magnet. So it's true or false?
Wow.
Okay, 7 is true. So the answer is true. Of course, Earth acts as a giant magnet. Earth itself is like a magnet only. So I hope everyone knows that.
Even the crust of the Earth is like a permanent magnet, and the magnetic field is because of the Earth moving. It's producing a magnetic field around the Earth. So obviously, we can call Earth also acts also a magnet.
So that's how the in ship and all navigation compass is used, because it's showing North Pole, South Pole, right? It's because of that magnetic field, and Earth has a giant magnetic field around it. So you can know about it all. You might have known this.
Yeah, if you're curious enough,
So who talks?
go through all the terms once
Yeah,
you
yeah.
quiz. Okay,
Exactly.
let's see who is first in the leaderboard. Gayatri, Anita, wow, Sanjay, Danushraj, and Lakshmikant. So it's something new to this show. Many guys are. So also we are in the 8th question out of 15. So still half of the question is pending. You can come up with right answer, and let's see. So what will be the effect? So I'll go to the 9th question. It's also a double point question.
So it's also scientific law for that below image. Okay, some of you might have known, some of you should have known this, some of you will know this. So don't worry. We will be, if no one knows this, we will explain this.
Phone tariya, phone வேணுமா?
Okay, so two only have answered correct. It's Ohm's law. The answer is Ohm's law. So it's like the image is like, Kalai, is it possible to show the image back or?
That's not possible. Oh yeah, I think so. Show.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, okay. So this is the image. So the green is there and blue is there and red is there. So the green one is the voltage and the red one is tying up. So it's the resistance. The blue one is the current. Okay, so Ohm's law is all about voltage, current, etc. So there is a formula V is equal to IR. So for all the EEE students, first year students here, so you will be knowing this Ohm's law when you enter the second year, or you might have studied it in your 12th standard. So Danshika, I think you will be knowing this later, so don't worry. So it's better to know before, right? So it's V is equal to IR. So this image will be pretty much useful for you to understand the Ohm's law. The voltage is directly proportional to the current and resistance at certain fixed temperature. I think correct, right? Kalaivani?
Yeah, so exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we will see who is the leader now.
Lakshmikant.
Okay, so Gayatri is refusing to give up her throne, I think. So she is continuously streaking it, and Lakshmikant is following, and Megha is following closely, Gayatri. Okay, so next question.
Anita is there. Okay.
Yeah. Gayatri seems so serious, I think. She is so much into it. Yeah. Next question. So, what is gene? So, what is gene? Okay, everyone have answered. Okay, 7 have answered correct. So the correct answer is a small section of DNA. As I'm not from biology background, Kalaivani will take up this question.
Yeah, so it's obviously I don't think there is much about to explain. So the DNA is made up of the genes only. So that's why we call it as a small section of DNA. And maybe so I thought everyone would answer exactly. Even the image itself, it depicts. I thought it will be a very easy question and show up also. So let's see.
So again, Gayatri is correct.
Yeah.
So there is no change in leaderboard, I think. The same top 5: Lakshmikantan, Megha, Anita, and Sanjay. So rest of the people, don't worry. There is still 5 questions here. Everything can change. So next question, Kalai.
It's a double point question. The leaderboard changer we can call.
So find the phenomenon of the below image.
Got 9 answers.
So what effect is it?
Oh wow.
So everyone got it correct. That's really amazing. We didn't expect that. So photoelectric effect. So I think someone has to answer this. What is photoelectric effect? So I think we can go with Megha this time.
So at least who come up with this
So
effect?
Megha, can you tell us? Yeah. what is photoelectric? If anyone knows that, you can come forward. What is photoelectric effect, or where is this used? Have you heard the application of photoelectric effect? Okay, so no one is coming. So basically, photo represents in physics is light only. So you can see the image. Light is coming up and it is hitting something, and the negative is like electrons. It is depicting. The charge of electron is negative. So negative charge. That's why it's electron. So it's getting energy. So this photoelectric effect is the application of solar panel. Everyone knows about solar panel. So when the sunlight hits the solar panel, we get electricity. So maybe you might want to check how the electricity is converted. I mean, how the sunlight is converted into electricity in the solar panel. So this is where the application. So I hope you have learned something.
So even so Einstein got Nobel Prize for this finding in, I think, 1912, I think so.
Yeah. So
who will be in the leaderboard first?
Okay, Megha, no problem. You are unable to mute.
So again, change in the leaderboard.
No change in the leaderboard. So remember, fastest finger gets more points. So let's move to the next question. 4 more questions here.
So see Darshak, Lakshmikant has the highest answer streak of 6.
Okay, he's continuously answered 6 questions correctly. So that's great, Lakshmikant.
More close to Gayatri. So let's go to the 12th question.
Which has more kinetic energy? So 9 have answered. Okay. So 5 have answered correctly. The answer is 50-gram toy car moving at 20 meters per second. So do anyone having the scientific explanation for this question? Because that's only help for others to understand. Or if you picked the answer luckily, no problem. Do anyone want to answer it?
Anna, may I?
Yeah, sure, Gayatri.
Anna, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to mass and velocity. So here the mass and velocity of last option is higher. So
okay, yeah, great. Correct answer. Mass is same for all the options, but the velocity is higher for the fourth option, like 20 meters per second. Others are 10, 13, and 15. So mass is same for all, velocity is higher. So Gayatri, you are correct. So this is the explanation for this question.
That's great. Good to see. So let's see the answer. Gayatri, Lakshmikant, Anita, Meha, and VM Naveen. Great.
Okay.
So let's go to the 13th question.
How do you feel this award show and information?
Till now.
Yeah, what do you feel about this Zero Pro and our show? This is all answer question. Actually, this question should be in the last, but okay. So this is just a feedback question. I hope we will know what others. Okay.
Don't worry.
So great. I enjoyed full
marking for all the answers for all the 4 options.
So this. Yeah. So we are happy to see this feedback. Everyone is enjoying. So there is no change in leaderboard. Let's move to the next question. How many periods are there in the periodic table? Again, one scientific question. Kalai, is the media showing? I think media is not. The picture is not visible to me.
Oh, but it's a question mark only, so nothing apart it.
Oh, okay.
So we got all the answers. Most
So
of
7 is the correct answer.
so
Yeah, Kalai.
yeah, so this is what I'm about to say. So most of the people gave the correct answer. Let's see the leaderboard. Oh, Lakshmi Kantan on the top with highest.
Okay. So Gayatri is close, so close, Gayatri. So one more question, it will determine. So Lakshmi Kantan has the highest answer streak of 9. Okay.
So Lakshmi Kantan, Gayatri, Naveen, and Neha.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the
So
final
last question of this evening. Yeah. Which of the scientific law does this represent? So there will be an image. You have to find which scientific law does this represent. So it's also an easy. Okay. So 5 have answered correctly. It's Newton's third law. Can anyone tell what is Newton's third law? It is the easiest Newton's law.
Maybe Danshika I can say. Do you have any idea, Danshika? I think she is having some network issue.
Yeah.
Bro, I
So is anyone want to...
Bro, I correctly don't know.
Yeah.
For every action, there is opposite and equal reaction. I think so, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Correct. So we can see who is the winner of this evening.
Yes, let's see. Naveen.
So Naveen is third place, and Lakshmi Kantan is second place, and the first place goes to Gayatri.
Oh wow!
Okay.
Runner-up.
Congratulations.
Geeta and Sanjay.
Fourth one is who? Who is fourth?
Anita fourth. Fifth one is Sanjay.
Sanjay. Okay, that's great. So the serious face of Gayatri has paid, I think. So she was so serious in the whole quiz. Lakshmi Kantan, VM Naveen, and all congratulations everyone. Actually, I have to thank Megha because she's the only one from so long from here, I think.
Yes.
She's from Nagpur. Yeah, so actually for you only we are having this whole session in fully English. So thank you so much for joining us because it's really so happy to see so people from so that far is joining us, and everyone, you did really great, and we really enjoyed the whole 1 hour.
Exactly, and you people added a good light and you decorated this evening, maybe we can call it as. So we enjoyed and we got some time to collaborate with you, and we had a very great time with all of you guys. Even it's a night time, and you dedicated some moment for this, and you came up with this, and you're. I don't think so. So I'll expect you from onwards and all the events and all the quizzes also.
Yeah, in future we have planned to conduct like more and more events, not only quiz, tech talks, webinars, debate, etc., discussions. Maybe what we can do, we will do. So yeah, sure, Megha. So Kalai, Megha is telling like thank you so much for giving an opportunity, and I suggest you arrange again. Sure, Megha, we will do that again. So we will be having multiple quiz sessions, everything. So thanks to lockdown for this opportunity also, because in the first lockdown we started Zero Pro, and in the second lockdown we started with conducting sessions. So we'll be continuously doing it. So stay active in the group. We'll be posting in the group. We'll be soon having other social medias also. We'll be informing everything, each and everything about what we are doing in our group. So don't miss it. Have fun. I hope everyone learned something. So networking is important. So Kalai, you want to add anything?
No, so I'm very feeling thankful to those guys because I don't think so. So they have making something and they are doing really good in this lockdown times, and this is how I felt. And Lakshmi Kantan is raised. I think he wanted to add some points.
Yeah, Lakshmi Kantan.
I want to thank Zero Pro for this wonderful event, and I also want to thank from my bottom of heart too for correctly career guidance for my path. Thank you, Zero Pro.
Sure, Lakshmi Kantan. Welcome, welcome. We are also thankful for you to participate here and made this evening fun. So if any of the participants, you can tell us something, what we can improve or how it is. So it will be very good for us. So like
Also,
it will be like we can.
Also, I want to tell you one thing. If you guys having something, so if you have knowledge on something, so you know something, means if you're interested in transferring the knowledge, means you can come up and you can reach us. So we'll be making a session with you, and you can tell other people, so who are interested in that particular domain, you can share the knowledge with them also. So we can do like, and you can be the host of that evening. So that's what I'm wanted to say. And you also suggested something, so this can be, if it is can be done, means it will be very useful. If you feel like, means you can come up and you can tell us. I think this event will be useful for us, and I think so. So if you feel any odd and whatever it is, maybe now you can tell us.
Okay, I want to share my feedback.
Yeah,
Sure.
No one will think like getting network from others, from other college, other departments, but you both done it. Thank you for the session, and do continue the session for upcoming days and upcoming events.
Sure, Naveen. We will be doing that.
Okay. Thank you, Anna. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Sure. Daniksha is asking in which YouTube channel will it be uploading. So we have our own channel, Zero Pro. So actually it started recently only. Yeah, we will be sharing the link of the channel, and once the video is uploaded, we will be sharing that also. So don't worry, enjoy it a lot. If anyone want to add further points, you can. So Mega, if you want to add, Gayatri, Mega, anyone, you can come forward. Okay.
Shall I?
Yeah, sure. Anyone?
Anna, I really enjoyed and learned something, and its session is helpful to touch up the higher education things in. I remember my 8th and 7th memories books and science something now. Yeah. And really enjoy. I really enjoyed and learned new things. Thanks.
Sure.
Thanks for the session.
Yeah, thank you so much. So.
Also, at first of introduction, we told about ourselves. So we are also from, we are basically electrical and electronics engineers, and we are pursuing our field currently in automotive domain. So if you guys in further days, if you feel any help, or if you feel we can help you in any ways, means you can reach us to us. We'll do our best. So not only related to these events and all, you can reach us even for your career and any suggestions in upcoming days or kind of. So it's a great evening, and maybe Ashok, let's finish the session today. You guys want to?
Yeah, sure, Kalevani.
Anything, anyone?
So if anyone want to add, you can raise hand or tell, or we can just end up. So I will meet in the next session. We can end, I think. We'll do. So yeah, sure, Mega. So Kalei, Mega is telling like, thank you so much for giving an opportunity, and I suggest you arrange again. Sure, Mega, we will do that again. So we will be having multiple quiz sessions, everything. So thanks to lockdown for this opportunity also.